So, I have 5, but this one needs to go where, Cadence? Can you show me with your hand? Like this? Yeah. Okay, now thumb up if you agree, thumb down if you disagree. Get started, I'm just going to write my numbers to 20, and as I write them, I want to hear everyone say them, okay? But if you race me, that's not showing me you know them. You need to say them as I write them, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's next? 11, 12. Oh, we're racing. I haven't wrote 12 yet. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. So we're going to practice writing the tally marks for these numbers. All of these ones. Okay? We know how to do them for this. But just in case we forgot, let's practice 1 through 10 with tally marks, okay? So I'm going to write some tally marks on here, and I want you to raise your hand and tell me how many tally marks I have, okay? Remember, when I get to a bundle, it's how many. How many? Hold up with your fingers. When I have a bundle, it's how many. Hold it up with your fingers. How many, Adrian? 5. Okay, here we go. This is practice. Friends at home, Paige, this first one's for you. Can you hear me? This first one's for you, Paige. How many, Paige? 4. I can't hear you.
3.
3. Perfect. All right. I'm going to do another one. Deleza, this one's for you. 6. That was so quick. How did you know that in a snap? How did you know it so fast? 5 and then 1 more. Oh, you guys are smart. 6. Okay. This one is for Eli. Eli.
Are you on mute right now?
1.
Oh, that was too hard, wasn't it? Too easy peasy. Okay, this one's for Elijah. Elijah. 4. Oh, that was too easy. Okay, they're going to get trickier. Pay attention. This one is for Petra. 8. Nice job. Landon. 5. Ooh, nice job. Mason. 7. Ooh, nice job. Okay, I'm going to have to erase so I have more room.
And then we would do the same people, right, teacher?
The people I have not called on yet. Okay.
I mean we would do the same people.
Nicholas. 9. Nice job. What if I do this? Cruz, have I called on you? Okay, Cruz. Ooh. Who have I not called on? Cadence? That was too easy, huh? Petra, have I called on you? Seven. Hey, first grade. Today we're going to go past 10, and I want to show you that it doesn't have to be tricky. It's just going to look like a lot more tally marks. So, as I write my numbers past 10, my tally marks are going to keep doing the same pattern. So once I hit 5, I have to scoop them up and bundle them. So 11 would look like this. 5, 10, and then how many more? One more. So I just started another group. So I have 10 and one more. So what would 12 look like? One more. 13?
Now they have a friend.
14? 15. Now, what do I need to do? Show me with your hand. What is 15 going to look like? Show me with your hand, Eli and Paige. Show me with your hand. What do I do with my pencil when I do 5? Bundle it.
Right
So now how many do I have? So I had 10, and then I have 5 more. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's keep going. 16, 17, 18, 20. Like that? Oh. Bundle it. Okay. Like this? So how many do I have all together? 20. Take a look. I have 10 here. Oops. I have 10 here. And I have another 10 here. What is 10 plus 10? 20. 10, 20. So, our job today is to match the right number with the right number of counters, okay? Or the right number of tallies. So, if I have my 10 frame up here, and I have my dots, I'm going to practice with 5. Watch what I do. If I have my 10 frame up here, and I have 5 tallies, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how many counters do I need to draw in my 10 frame to make a match? Galeza? 5. Nice job. And I always start here on the top, and then I go across. That's going to help me remember. So, 5 here, 5 here. Do we have a match? We do. We have a match. Okay, so here is my next one. You guys are going to tell me how many tallies I need to draw. You ready? How many tallies am I going to draw? Raise your hand. How many tallies am I going to draw?
You didn't go to that. I was just bleeding.
I have counters here. How many tallies do I need over here?
3.
Count the dots. 1, 2. How many tallies?
3.
How many counters do I have?
2.
2. So how many tallies do I draw?
1, 2, 3.
Do they match?
2.
Do I have 2 here and 2 here?
4.
So Eli, I have 2. Say it with me. I have 2.
2.
And I have 2.
2.
These are the same. They are a match. So we would give ourselves a star. Okay. We're going to take a quick Go Noodle break, and then I'm going to show you guys my chart here and how we can match up our tally. Good melting. So what we need to do first, boys and girls, is figure out how many are here and how many are here. So we need to identify what those numbers are with our dots and with our tallies. Then all we're going to do is just take a marker and match them. When you match tomorrow with Miss Cheatham, you're going to lay them on your desk at home, because you guys won't be here in person. you're going to lay them on your desk at home in 2 piles and pull one up, then pull the other and see if they match. Do you remember when you did that last time?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so I'm going to be calling on friends to help me figure out how many are here. So when you are counting these, remember, if the 10 frame is all the way filled like this, how many is that? 10. We know that in a snap. So when you are looking at these cards, if it's all the way full on the top, we know it's 10, and then we just need to add the extra numbers, okay?
What?
Turn your video on, please. You guys are part of our class. We need to be able to see you. Thank you. Paige, you too.
You know what, Eli? How many times have I told you leave it on?
Hey. First grade, I have my first set of dots right here. This whole 10 frame is filled, plus one more. If you know how many are in this 10 or in this picture, raise your hand. Nicholas, how many? 11. Nice job. I have an 11 right here. 11. Oh, really? The same thing? That's cool. Okay. All right. First grade. Now we're going to look at the next set of dots. I had 11 and I'm adding one more dot. So how many do I have now? Landon.
Come on, buddy, please pay attention.
Yeah.
Eli, you're not.
12. Nice job. 12 dots. Okay, next picture. All I did was add one more. How many do I have in this picture? Eli, how many in this picture?
$13.
13. Did you guys hear that? Cadence, make sure eyes are up here. 13. All right. I added one more. What's next? Mason. 14. Okay, what's next? I added one more. I have all the 10 frame filled plus 5 more. Elijah, count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? Say it nice and loud and proud. 15. Nice job. That's exactly right. Okay. Now I have this whole 10 frame filled. 5 and one more. Deleza. 16. Okay, this next one's for Paige. Paige, can you hear me? I think we need to call on a friend to help out Paige. I had 16. Count the dots, make sure that we know the next number. Petra. 17. Okay, this last one, I want you to double check because this one had 3 spots left. This one only has 1 spot left, so it might be a different mystery number. Eli, can you tell me how many are here? Go ahead and count those.
18.
I want you to count one more time, okay? We have 10, 11, 12, 13,
13. 14.
15,
15. 16, 17, 18.
and one more.
19.
19, yeah. 19. Okay, now that we know how many counters we have in these 10 frames, we can start matching them up to our tallies. So, I'm going to call on a friend. Have all of your guys' names on these little clips in here. Mason, I called you first. Mason, will you count the tallies and tell me how many tallies? Count these tallies. We have 5, and then we have another group of 5, which is 10, and keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, this is 14. Do these match up here? I have 11 and 14.
No.
Do you see a 14 over here?
Yeah.
Yes, we need to match to our 14. So, this group of counters goes with this group of tallies. Okay, this is a big number. Remember, when they're in bundles of 5, we have to keep counting until we get to another bundle. Are you ready? We have 5. How much is 2 bundles? We know these in a snap now. 10. So 5, 10. Keep going. 13, 14, 15, 16. Hey, I need to match it. Do you see a 16? Cadence, do you see it? Okay, tell me when to stop. Ready?
Stop.
So this group of tallies matches this group of counters. Okay, Eli, this next one's for you. Eli, can you please count this group of tallies? Ready?
Yeah.
Count this group right here. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah, he's counting. I have 2 groups of
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Did you guys also get 11? Okay, Eli got 11. Let's double check. I have 2 groups of my 5 tallies. We know that in a snap. If I have 2 groups of my 5 tallies, what is it? 10. And then I have one more.
11.
Eli's saying 11. Can you guys give a thumbs up if you agree? Eli, they agree with you. It's 11. So, Eli, tell me when I get to 11 on this side. Are you ready? Tell me when to stop.
Right there.
Okay. So now watch what I do, boys and girls. Right up there. So now we're matching and matching. Okay. We have a couple more to do. We're going to do one more together because I want to give you guys a little bit of a break before writing. Okay? I want to give you a little bit of a break before writing, so we're going to do one more, and then we will figure out the rest of them another time. Probably Wednesday, okay? All right. Paige, can you unmute? Uh-oh. Okay. I'm going to call on a friend in the classroom. Adrian. Adrian, I would like for you to count these tallies, and when you know how many tallies there are, go ahead and say the number. Just Adrian. For this one right here. Six. These ones right here. When we have a bundle, how much is that, Adrian?